Good morning. Kakagising ko lang. So ngayon, yung pag-usapan natin, yung sinabi ni Attorney Buko, madidismiss ba yung MR ni Maggie Garduque? Will the court ibabasura ba? Dahil dumiretso siya, hindi siya dumaan sa MR, dumiretso siya sa petition for review to the Court of Appeals? Well, the rules of court says that there are exceptions. It is true that Attorney Rene Bueno said, no, mga pro TVJ yan, na madidismiss daw yung kaso ni Attorney Maggie because she did not abide by the rules that you will have to pass by an MR kay Judge Tagra before going to the Court of Appeals to have a petition for review or to apela. I-apela mo sa mas mataas na korte. So hindi daw madidismiss daw. Hindi ako magsasabi sa iyo na hindi dahil merong exceptions. There are exceptions to rules always. We have rules, we have laws, but there are always exceptions to the rules. And the exception is if there is a blatant disregard for the law, no, like what Judge Tagra did. There was an excessive violation of the law. Binaboy po yung batas. Nasobrahan, nag-decide for something which is not even complained, no? Ganyan ang korte. Alam mo yung korte, hindi gagalaw ang korte pag walang motion. When there's no motion, the court will not move. Okay? So, pag walang motion, walang mangyayari. So, si Maggie Garduque, sabi nila, madidismiss. Hindi siya madidismiss dahil tama yung ginawa niya. Dumiretso siya sa taas, dumiretso siya sa Diyos. Hindi ka dadaan sa pipitsuging judge diyan na nag-violate, naglapastangan ng karapatan mo. Ba't ka dadaan sa kanya? Oh, that's an exception to the rule. You go straight, you make a petition to the CA, to the Court of Appeals dahil blatant violation of the law ang ginawa ng judge dyan sa RTC 273 Marikina. So, that is an exception. It will be taken up and malalaman ng buong bayan later on that tape is correct, no? In the first place, alam mo, lahat naman ng rights, no, pupunta naman talaga sa producer. Remember, without the producer, there would be no show. Even there would be no trademark. Kasi even if you apply for a trademark and you don't use it, then the trademark will disappear. It will be cancelled. It will go back to the public domain. So, kung wala yung pera ng tape, wala namang Itbulaga. So, kung walang Itbulaga, wala namang trademark. Oh, see? At saka yung trademark na pinagdesisyonan ni Judge Tagra was not within his powers because there was no complaint about that. And I talked to Attorney Buko. Attorney Buko said that there is really no trademark infringement involved because they have no certificate of registration for Itbulaga, for the trademark. Oh, bakit may include? Yung copyright kasi po is iba. Yung copyright, anybody can file. Unfair competition. Because copyright, there's a gray area there. Sorry. There's a gray area in the copyright that says that if the judge decides that the copyright goes nga to TVJ, not to the producer, hindi man pupunta sa kanilang copyright, they have a right to dispute, 'di ba? Nakuha mo. Pero kung sa trademark, hindi pwede kasi yung trademark very specific eh. And in order na maagaw mo yung Itbulaga, kailangan mo ng trademark. You need a trademark complaint to make laglag or aagawin or kukunin or to steal or to get Itbulaga, because Itbulaga is a trademark. Itbulaga is not a copyright. So you cannot use a copyright complaint or an unfair competition complaint para masasakop mo yung Itbulaga trademark. No, you will need a trademark complaint para makuha mo yung trademark na Itbulaga. Kasi agawan to ng trademark eh. Don't fool me. Don't fool me, Attorney Bueno or Models of Manila or Ders TV diyan o lahat ng mga defenders diyan ng Itbulaga TVJ. Don't fool me. This is about lahat na ito yung ginagawa natin, yung pinag-a-argue natin dito. This is about agawan ng trademark. This is a contest between TVJ and Tape regarding the trademark Itbulaga. This is not really about copyright. This is not really about unfair competition. Yung gusto nyo, kunin nyo yung trademark, di ba? Gusto namin, kunin din namin yung trademark. So this is a war of trademarks. So you need a trademark complaint. You need a trademark certificate in order to legitimize your complaint. And you don't have that. You get me? Nakuha mo ako? Now you know, no, 'di ba? So alam na ng public kayon, kahit isa lang yung viewer ko, kahit sa iyo 10,000 views kayo sa YouTube, ako isang view lang. I am still correct. Ako yung tama dito, kayo ang mali. Hindi pwede. O sige, at least alam na ng taong bayan regarding that. Thank you. So keep that in mind. You subscribe to my channel in case you want to know about the real score of Itbulaga. Kasi yung sa kanila puro lahat etsos sa kanila eh. Puro lahat kung ano-ano yung pinagsasabi nila. Manalo na si TVJ. Hindi mananalo si TVJ kasi in the first place there is no complaint about trademark infringement. Even up to now, hanggang ngayon, nanalo na si TVJ. Meron ba silang trademark? Meron ba silang complaint regarding trademark? No. They don't have. Why? Because up to now, no? Sinabi nila October 2 o November 2, December 2, September 29 yung deadline ng paglabas ng certificate nila. O ngayon, ano na? Lumipas na yung October 29, November 29, December 29, 90 days na. Lumabas ba? Lumabas ba yung Lumabas ba yung certificate of registration of the trademark Itbulaga ni Joey De Leon ending in number 6771? Lumabas ba? Hindi lumabas. So you cannot file a trademark complaint because yung ownership of Itbulaga trademark is not in your hands. You do not have a trademark certificate. Come on, Attorney Bueno, Models of Manila, you do not have a trademark certificate for Itbulaga. How can you complain or paano mo aagawin yung trademark ng Tape Incorporated because you do not have a trademark infringement complaint? Because in order to have a trademark infringement complaint, you must have a trademark certificate of Itbulaga. Yung kahit yung kay Joey De Leon na lang na number 6771 na nag-due na nung October 29. You should already have that by now. Do you have it? Meron ba? Di kung meron, padala mo ngayon sa akin para tatumbling ako dito. Wala naman eh. Di wala. Di talo kayo kung wala, di ba? Ganun kasimple. Subscribe to my channel so you'll know the real score here. Kasi puro kayong tape matatalo. Kayo ang matatalo dito.